Ngamandian Ucing. Ngamandian Ucing is a cultural tradition of the people in Nyenang Village, Cipendei, West Bandung Regency. This tradition is carried out when facing a long dry season, like the tradition that the people did in Nyenang on Sunday, October 7, 2018.
Sahur sepuh saupama muara bojong tos orot saat lamping gawir awi gararing sawah barejad wahangan saat sok raksanakeun ritual ngaliwatan budaya anu langkung langsung nyuhunkeun nama urang nurut kanu agung menta kanu kawasa mamrih kayang widi nyuhunkeun cai dilungsurkeun atuh banyu ka bumi itu maksud.
Before the ritual, the community carried out a prayer called Istiqo prayers in the field. After that, the community held a parade by bringing a serving of rice corn and a cat to the place of the ceremony at the Muara Bojong River. Once they arrived at Muara Bojong, the customary stakeholders carried out cultural prayers as their ancestors often did for generations. They use panoyengan bamboo to measure when it comes to rain through a panoyengan device that is spread out by hand. If the tool shows a display of a finger count of more than 5 centimeters, then the dry season will be long. However, if it's only 2 centimeters from the end of the hand, then the rain will soon fall. After completing a prayer at Muara Bojong, the next ceremony was Ngamandian Ucing, which was to bathe the cat by the people in a crowd, and the crowd was watering each other among the people. At the end of the activity, the community had to eat a rice corn together. The meaning of Ngamandian Ucing, according to Abah Acha, Ngamandian Ucing is a form of entertainment because in the past, the community was lacked of entertainment, so to enliven the atmosphere of the village, they bathed the cat and paraded around the village, and until now, the traditional customs continue to be carried out by the people of Nyenang. Haris Degantara, Karimaca, West Bandung.